Hello my friends, I am Anouar and this is the Become Engineer Academy channel. In this video we will talk and learn a little about the ThemeData class and the AppBar widget. So in the last video we've added an AppBar to our scaffold, and as we see its background color is set to blue, which is the main color of our app. AppBar is one. Here is our AppBar. AppBar, as I said, is one of many widgets in Flutter that inherits some of their configurations from their elements. Here from ThemeData object. The ThemeData object has lots of properties with default values. So AppBar is very useful and customizable widget that we place on the top of the screen. Here we can add another property which is called elevation. So, and we will give it a double value of 2.0. so this 2 will be the shadow, the elevation, it's the shadow under this time tracker or under this AppBar. So let's hot reload. As you see, its value is increased. To see the difference, I make, for example, 12. As you see now, it's more, let's 20, 120. As you see now, there is more shadow. Let's make it just 2 to make it very thin. So this is all about the AppBar and the ThemeData. So now we will add a column layout. So the white here, the white area is the content area of our scaffold and is defined by a property called body. So here in our scaffold, this is the AppBar. Now we will talk about the body. So we will skip the AppBar area and we will add a body property, and in this body property we will give it a container widget, and in this container widget we will, for example, give it color to just to say what happens. Colors dot green. As you say, just to make you sure and I am not lying, so here is our AppBar which is in blue, and here is our body which is green. So the scaffold widget has two main or principal properties. They are AppBar and the body property. So now our goal is to add some boxes into the body and arrange them vertically. So we will use column widget, and instead of using here color, I will delete it and call a child property. In this child property I will use the column widget. A column has an important property called children. Just please just pay attention to what I say. Here I say child, which is 1, but in column I said children. So it's a list of children, not one child. So here I will give it children, and a list in the Dart programming language we add it with square brackets, not parentheses. Now we will add some boxes to this column. So I will, the first box, which is a container, for example, we will give it colors, for example with black. Let's hot reload. As you see, there is no thing happening. So, and the reason for that is that our container doesn't have a child. So when we put it inside the column, his size is 0, which means the container itself isn't visible. So the box to be shown on screen, it needs a size. Here we will give it a child, which is a sized box, and in this sized box, for example, I will give it a width of 100 and a height of 100. Now if I hot reload, as we say, here is our child, or here is our box. So now something interesting happens. Let's explain in the next video and talk about the cross-axis alignment property. So until then, see you happy and in good health.